Caudle here, back with another completely free tutorial for you guys at home. Today we are learning my choreography to Rake It Up by Yo Gotti. As always, guys, I would love to see what you learned in class today, so don't be shy. Show me your videos. You can post it and tag me at Samantha Caudle 9. Would love to see your progress, would love to give you a little feedback, and would love to just know that my community at home and my YouTube community is thriving. If you guys don't know, I do these videos completely free for you at home, so please make sure you support this channel by subscribing down below, and let me know what combo you would love to see next in the comments down below. Without further ado, let's hop into Rake It Up. All right, guys, let's get started. So I already flipped the screen. My right is your right, my left is your left, so you can learn when I say right, use your right hand. Yeah. So we're gonna start 5, 6, 7. I'm gonna grab the air and step on my right foot. Grab, open the chest up, and then I'm gonna take it on down and step back, back. Let's do that again. So a little tricky here, but once you get the flow of it, it's so fun to do. So we go 5, 6, 7. Grab, open, drop, left, right. Again, 5, 6, 7. I tell all my left, right. Yeah, lots of chest there. One more. 5, 6, 7. Grab and ta, left, right. From here, I'm gonna step on my right foot, right, left. Big stomp. Right foot comes down again, ta, ta. Yeah, arms swing through. Big, big. Use all your energy, all your momentum. So we came from 5, 6, 7. I tell all my left, right, right, left, swing, swing. Yeah, it should feel bigger and bigger and bigger as you go. Last time, 5, 6, 7, right and step. Left, right, boom, 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 swing, swing. Good. If you need that again, I'll be here, girl, I got you. So just go on back, but I'll be here. We're here, ta-ta. I'm gonna jump my feet together. My hands are gonna go right, down, switch, right, down again. Leaning the body over, left and left. Yeah, so the hands are kind of waving through, shoom, shoom. It's very quick with the music. So reminder, we came from here, ta, ta. We jump and we go ta, ta, ta. Stepping on the right foot, I go step out, bring the left hand to the right, clap. Big clap. So he says break it down. On break it down, it's break it down, boom, clap. From here, I'm gonna step back on my left foot, go across my body, ah, boom, ta. Just a nice big old groove. Stepping on the left, I go left foot and a right foot, ha. Good, yes, 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 yes. So let's take it from break it down. We jump together, we go break it down, boom, crack, back it up, 6, 7. Good. Let's connect that from the top. Here we go. 5, 6, 7. I tell all my left, right, right, left. Swing, swing, jump. Break it down, boom, cup, back it up, 6, 7. Good. Again, if you need that again, just go on back. I'll be here. We go left, we go right. I'm gonna swing my hips over to the left and I'm gonna go left. Like something pulled my hips, yeah? Pull, and then I'm gonna go woo! Pushing the hips around, yeah? So we go fuck it up, 2, 3. Arms can do whatever. Fuck it up, 2, 3, or fuck it up, 2, 3. Whatever you feel, that feels good. So ta, 1, 2, 3. Jumping over my left shoulder, 4. And then I'm gonna shake, just because I can. Shake, 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 yeah? Just for fun, just for fun. Any kind of shake that you want. If you don't wanna do booty, don't do booty, just do you. But face the back and hit it hard, yeah? So we go, fuck it up, 1, 2, 3. Shake, shake, shake. Yeah, 3, 2, 1 to shake. 3, 2, 1. My elbows are gonna go right and right, like I'm elbowing someone. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, right and right, ta, ta, ta. My left foot's gonna come up like I got punched in the stomach. Boom, ta. Yeah, to bring that on down. So just kick, drop. So we went shake, shake. Any arms here. shake, 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 right and right, kick, drop. Good. Okay, let's take it on back from the top. Yeah, let's break it on down. 5, 6, 7. I tell on my left, right, right, left. Swing, swing. Break it down, right foot, back it up. 6, 7 hips. 1, 2, 3. Switch, shake, shake, shake. Right and right, boom, crack. Good. If you need that again, just go back. We're here. Ta-ta. I'm going to step on my left and go left, right, left. Super casual. Any arms that you want. We step on the left, left, right, left. Getting into my favorite part, we go. Open, close, round. Yeah, so on my chest, ta-ta, round. And click, and I'm going to lean over, hit the side of my hip, big arm straight here, left down on the knee. So we go, I made 1, 2, hit 3, 4, and lean that over. Let's do it again. 5, 6, 7, open, close, round, 2, hit 3, 4, push away, go 5, 6, yeah, round. So push 5, push 6, we go around, circle the head, 7, pick up the right leg, boom. Yes. Okay, good. So back to this part. We jumped out, we just crisscrossed here. We jump out in second. We go, I made round, 2, hit 3, 4, this is 5, 6, roll, 7, 8, gorge. One more, a little faster. 5, 6, 7, open, close, round, 2, hit 3, 4, go right, go left, go circle, ha. Good. Last thing, we're coming on back. We're gonna do our Gabriella hands. The wrists are gonna roll. I could put this foot down. The wrists are gonna roll here like your wrists are together. So I'm going around, around, around. It's one of those things that you gotta have to practice and just feel out and look a little crazy in your bedroom sometimes and just figure it out, yeah? So wrists together, rolling, hands are going around. We're here. As I do that, I'm going to do that over my head. So I'm going to go round, round, and I'm going to push back and go push, making a 1. He says 20,000 ones. So circle, ha, 20,000, push, and I'm going to lean over once to come back up, up. And we're going to end there today. So you learned the whole combo. Good. Congratulations. Now, stop stressing, I got you. Let's review, okay. So we went out and out. We roll to pick this up. Right foot goes back. 20,000, push away. Once, click, she say, ha. Finishing that out there, yes. So the class combo goes on, I think another 8 count or so. You can always learn it there, but I'm gonna stop there for today because I don't wanna stress you out, okay? So we're here. Let's take it from ta-ta-ta. Yes, opening the chest. We go 5, 6, 7. Open, close, round, 2, hit 3, 4, go 5, 6, roll 7, 8, 20,000 ones. Click, she say, ha. Good. One more, let's go a little faster. Here we go, 5, 6, 7. Open, close, round, 2, hit 3, 4, go push, circle, here we go. Wrist, wrist, push, click, whoa. Yes, good. Okay, friends, let's take it from the top. Let's go slow, let's go medium, let's go tempo, and then we'll do it with music, okay? Just a reminder, guys, class is an hour and a half. We take our time to learn this a lot more than I do in these tutorials. Here, I only have this space for so long. I'm trying to get as much choreo as I can to you that feels comfortable, but still a push. So just know that if you take class with me, you'll have more time to work on these things. I make these tutorials so you guys can go back and review. Okay, so from the top we go 5, 6, 7. I tell all my. Left, right, right, left. Swing, swing. Right and right. Step, click, back it up. 6, 7, fuck it up, fuck it up. 2, 3, switch, shake, shake, shake. Hit and hit. Kick, drop. We go left, right, left. New part. I made love to a, here we go, a 5, a 6, 7, 8, right, left, push, ta, she say. Yes. Good. Medium tempo. Here we go. 5, 6, 7. I tell all my. Left, right, right and left. Swing, swing. Jump and down. Boom. Crack. Back it up. 6, 7. Fuck it up. 1, 2, 3. Break it up. Break it up. 2, 3. Right and right. Kick. And here we go. Ta ta. 1, 2. Hit 3, 4. Go 5, 6. Circle. 20,000 ones. Click. Good. Woo! Good training, you guys. Good training, good training, good training. Here we go. Last one, full tempo. Then I'll play it low with music. You guys always ask why the music's so low, or you can't hear it. I swear, I turn it up as much as I possibly can without being flagged for copyright of the music. So when the music is too loud, I get flagged and then I can't make tutorials for you guys. Here we go. Let's take it from the top and then music. Here we go. 5, 6, 7. I tell 1, 2, 3. Right, left, swing, swing, kick and half. Boom. And let's go. Fuck it up. 1, 2, 3. Shake it out, shake it out. Right and right, kick and right. Ha. I made 1, 2, and out and out in a circle. Wrist, wrist, push, drop. 6. Good job, guys. Let's hear it with music. Here we go. 5, 6, 7. Here we go. Hit, hit. Kick. Yes. Thank you guys so much for taking class with me today, Samantha Caudle. I hope you guys had so much fun today. I know this combo is very quick, so again, just take your time, enjoy. You can always go back to this video. I'll be here forever. And if you guys haven't already subscribed to help the channel, please do so below. It really helps me create more free content for you guys. Reminder, I would love to see what you learned today, so send me those videos, and I'll see you guys in the next completely free tutorial. Bye.